Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be checking out Windows 98 build 1602. Now this was a viewer request, so yeah, that's pretty cool. So let's get into this build. So this build is called the Beta 2 refresh of Windows 98, and it was compiled on October 6, 1997, as you can see on Beta Wiki here. It says it was compiled on October 6, 1997. And as you can see, we're going to be creating a virtual machine. So we're going to be creating a custom virtual machine, and we're going to be choosing Windows 98 as the operating system. And we're going to call this Windows 98 build 1602. And yeah, because Windows 98 won't support more, we're going to give it 512 megabytes of RAM, which seems like a lot, so we'll actually just use the default at 256 megabytes of RAM. Why does it recommend giving it 27 gigabytes? I'm pretty sure Windows 98 can't even run at 1 gigabyte, so yeah, that's strange. We're obviously going to be using an IDE hard drive because NVMe is not supported, obviously. SATA probably won't work well, and SCSI probably also won't work well. We're going to create a new virtual disk, and we're going to give it 8 gigabytes, which should be fine. We're going to leave the name the same, and let's put in the disk. Now, I don't know if this is bootable. It's probably not because Windows 98. So, oh wait, there's the office. I'm planning on doing a video on that soon. But here's the build. So we're going to have to add a floppy drive. So then we use a floppy drive image. And there's literally nothing I can use. I'll be right back for copying over my Windows 98 floppy disk. Alright, we're back, and as you can see, we have this boot disk called Windows 98.img. It's going to be pretty strange using a Windows 98 boot disk, like an official Windows 98 boot disk, to install this, but it should get the job done, you know. So we're going to obviously going to boot into the virtual machine, but we're going to have to set the date to October 6, 1997. So let me set things up for VMware. Alright, so I set things up for VMware. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly boot into the BIOS. After we booted into the BIOS, we're going to move on and quickly set this to October. So that means setting this to 10/06/1997. Okay, 1997. There we go. So for the boot devices, we're going to do removable devices. CD-ROM is second, then it's hard drive. So there we go. So after that, we just can boot off of the drive, as you can see here. And there we go, VMware booting. We're going to start the computer with CD-ROM support. So that's the first option here. And this actually takes a while, even on a virtual machine. There we go. So it's drive D. So first we're going to do fdisk. And yeah, we're going to create a new DOS partition. It's going to verify the drive integrity. We're going to use, it's going to verify it again. Okay, you must restart Windows. Okay, we're going to restart Windows. It wants us to. So start computer with CD-ROM support. So now we have a DOS partition. Obviously, we're going to have to format it because it's not formatted. All right, so we're going to have to format C:. Yeah. And okay, so now formatting the C drive, which, like we have said previously, we previously gave us 8 gigabytes of storage on an IDE hard drive. So there we go. I mean, it's doing something. I mean, it's almost done actually. It's like 90. It's 100%. There we go. So I'm calculating free space. Okay, running out. That actually seemed okay. Enter volume, serial number, stat, whatever. We're going to switch to the D drive. And we're going to run setup. Escape. Oh, now it's going to run scan disk. As you can see, this is scan disk. So, I mean, yeah, it's scan disk. Drive C has no errors. Drive D has no errors. We're going to exit. There we go. Welcome to Windows 98 setup. Congratulations on choosing Windows 98, the software that makes your computer more powerful, reliable, manageable, and entertaining. Okay, yeah. So Windows 98 is even easier to use than Windows 95. Wow. Setup is preparing the Windows 98 setup wizard, which will guide you through the rest of the setup process. So we're going to obviously accept the license terms. We're going to install it to see Windows. It's going to check for the installed components, as you can see. Checking for available disk space. We're going to do a typical installation because, you know, yeah, we want to do a typical installation. So, yeah, we're going to put my name for the name, and we'll put 7Z, my channel name for the company. So, install the most common components. I'm going to show a list of components. All right, so we want to grab we don't want to grab multilingual support. Okay, and actually, no, that's fine. Okay. So, okay, computer name, work group, description, yeah, whatever. And emergency startup this. I don't want to make an emergency startup. No, I don't want a quick setup. But I don't want to do this though, man. Cancel, skip creating. Okay, click next. And there we go. Now it's copying files. Ooh, that's pretty nice. Look, it does that sliding animation. That's pretty cool. I'm pretty sure they removed this in Windows 98, like the RTM. I think they removed that. That's really cool though. So yeah, that's really nice. So as you can see, it's saying that it will take 19 minutes. So I mean, yeah, I wish they kept this in. Windows just got better. Unlike Windows ME, that's actually true. Windows 98 was better than 95. I mean, it had more stable drivers, but you know, it still runs on DOS. So yeah, we had to wait until Windows XP until they finally moved to Windows NT, which was a better. It's better than DOS, obviously, and it's better than the whole 9X thing. Because yeah, the NT kernel is much better. So as you can see, it's copying files. We're 31% done. So you know, I'm just gonna be back once this is done copying files. So yeah, I'll be back. I mean, I would do a time lapse, but I don't feel like doing a time lapse, so I'm just gonna pause the recording and I'm gonna come back once it's done. So, yeah. All right, so that was insane. Setup is now ready to restart your computer. Remove all disks from all floppy drives, which is exactly what we're going to do. So then we click on OK, and then we're gonna click restart now. And now we're gonna boot from hard disk. Windows 98 Beta 2.1. Wow, it says Beta 2.1. Getting ready to run Windows for the first time. Oh, it has Microsoft Internet Explorer. Yeah, you know, Microsoft got sued on this. I'm planning on doing a video on that. Oh, look, there's a watermark down there that says Windows 98 4.10.1602. So that's pretty cool. Also, the mouse is sometimes really hard to control. I don't know why. Windows 98 setups. Windows 98 is now initializing its driver database. So yeah, obviously it's gonna have to check for plug and play devices, you know, make sure all that stuff is running correctly. And you see now setup is saying that it will complete in 14 minutes. So yeah. Now we just wait, I guess. So I'll be back when something interesting happens. So yeah. Okay, this is strange. So as you can see, the magnifying glass isn't moving. And uh yeah, this is just strange, you know. I don't know. I'm just gonna let it sit here. It's doing something. I don't know what it's doing. I think it's frozen. I think it locked up. But yeah, if it doesn't do anything, I'll just restart it. So yeah. I mean, hopefully it does something. It's making some weird noises though. So yeah, you know, we're just gonna wait a while. Alright, so like I went to go edit a video and I just left it like this. It didn't do anything, so I've restarted it and let's hope that it doesn't. Oh god, Windows is not properly shut down. Okay, guess we're running scan disk. I hope there's no errors. Oh gosh, the file allocation tables are taking a while to check. So yeah, now we gotta run scan disk. So yeah, I'm gonna actually keep this running because we did restart it while it was uh doing something, and I want to make sure there's not really any errors. But yeah, this is already off to. I mean, we didn't just start this, but this is going great. Yeah. Oh, I hate this, guys. I don't think we're gonna be fine. Anyways, I'll be back when something interesting happens. So yeah. I can't pause this. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Windows 98. Oh my gosh, what was that? That was so weird. Okay. So yeah, we got the boot screen now. Not gonna lie, I kind of like this boot screen. I mean, it looks the same, but the beta 2.1. I think they could have kept that and put like RTM or they could have put second edition or something like that. It would have been cool. But yeah, as you can see, we've got the mouse cursor, which is still kind of hard to control for some reason. Oh, it's saying 14 minutes. Great. Um, we're moving the mouse around. Hopefully, it actually can initialize the driver database and it doesn't freeze on us like last time. Keep moving, magnifying glass. Keep moving. Come on. Please. I want to get this build installed. I don't want this to be an everything goes wrong video, please. If this doesn't work, I'll search up I mean, I don't know. I'll try to find a solution or something. I don't know. But I just hope this actually installs. I think we've got to keep moving the mouse around, but I think that's my trick. Move the mouse around, moving the mouse around. I really hate this because now I'm gonna have to actually do some editing and I'm gonna have to cut this part out if it takes way too long. Uh, so yeah, I'll be right back actually. So yeah.